The importance of DNA repair became unmistakable when rare inherited defects were discovered. Some individuals are born with mutations in DNA repair genes. The consequences were dramatic. People with defective repair systems accumulated DNA damage rapidly. They developed cancers early in life, showed extreme sensitivity to sunlight or radiation, and often aged prematurely. These conditions proved a critical point. It is not DNA damage alone that causes disease. It is unrepaired damage. It also raised a deeper and more unsettling question. If DNA repair enzymes are proteins, complex molecules themselves, are they immune to damage?